Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be me basically telling you every application that I have settled with that works for me as a YouTuber who makes videos with her phone. So I shoot and edit my videos on my phone, monitor everything. I just use my phone for 90% of my activities. The only thing I do not use my phone for is for optimization, because TubeBuddy does not show you those keyword rankings on mobile phone the way it does on a system. It does on mobile phone, but it is not the same thing. So let's get started from the very first one, which is to film your video. My phone came with a camera that was fine. I wouldn't have explored other cameras if not for the problem I ran into. And the problem was that when I got my external mic, this is the one I use. This is just the cord and cords. Yeah. So you're actually supposed to pass this underneath your clothes and pin it, but I just drop this on my laps and pin this up here when I am not in the mood. And then let me show you the difference between when I am using the mic and this is when I am not using the mic. I don't know if you can notice the difference, but my audio quality is better. So as I was saying, sorry for digressing, when I got this mic, this is the part I fixed into my phone. When I got this mic, it wasn't working with it refused to work with the camera on my phone. My phone is a Techno Camon 12, just in case you are wondering. So I had to look up on YouTube the reason why the mic wasn't working, and I saw one video in Hindu. God bless those people. I didn't see any solution to this until I saw that video in Hindu where the guy just said, if your external mic, this mini mic, does not work with your phone, just download Open Mic camera application. Open Mic, the link will be in the description bar, or okay, I will just screenshot it and have it on the screen so that you can check on Google Play Store. So that was why I downloaded that application, and immediately I did, the mic started working. After some months, I don't know if this mic did something to my phone, but the camera my phone came with now started working with this mic, so I can use either of them. But I noticed that the quality of the Open Mic is better than the quality of my own camera, like the video quality, the output. This one is way nicer, so I started using this one ever since. Sorry this took long. So over to the next should be video editing. After shooting your videos, you have to edit. To edit, I use Power Director. That is the only app I use. That is the only application I use. It has a paid version. If you want to produce your video in full HD, you have to pay, and in Naira it's about 4,500, just about $10 per every 3 months or so. I will insert everything, the details on the screen to be sure, and it works perfectly for me. For now, I am contented with it. I am comfortable. I am used to it. I have mastered it. I made a video of how I edit my videos with Power Director Cyberlink. The link will be in the description of this video. So that is the only application I use in editing my video, and it works perfectly for me. Now to music. This application comes with music. If you have the paid version, you have the option of downloading different genres of music and that is what I use. And then for optimizing my video to get good titles and keywords, I use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy also have member packs where you can download 20 free musics from this awesome audio.com or something. I will insert it on the screen for you to see again. If you use TubeBuddy, you may not know this, but I've never heard someone mention it, but you can get free music if you're subscribed to TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy subscription is yearly, and they have a discount for people who have less than 1,000 subscribers. I got 2 discounts: less than 1,000 subscribers, and then because I went through the link of another YouTuber who already had a discount code. I had that discount, so it wasn't really expensive for me. I cannot remember how much, but it wasn't expensive, and I like it. So I also get free music there. Those are the 2 sources of music where I am sure I'm not going to have to deal with any copyright issue, so I just stick to those 2. They have the variety of everything I need, and I am perfectly okay. The next one would be to make your thumbnail. To design my thumbnail, I use the application of Cyberlinks. Cyberlinks are the ones that make Power Director. So for editing photo, they have Photo Director. So I create my thumbnail. To add pictures, to combine pictures, I use Photo Director. Sometimes I use their fonts, but if I want different fonts, I just save the photo I have already edited on my Photo Director, then open it on my Snapseed and add the font. Most times it's just fonts that I need from Snapseed. Their fonts are really, they are tushed, they are nicer than that of Photo Director to an extent, but Photo Director has more options. So now to upload a YouTube video, I use the good old YouTube mobile application. It will be inserted here. The YouTube mobile app, I upload my videos from there. Okay, in case you want to remove background, if you want to remove background of your pictures, you can do that with Photo Director. They have this cut out application, but sometimes if I am not in the mood for that and I just want precise fast trimming, I use a website, www.backgroundremover.com. I will show it up here for you to see, to be sure. I also have a video of how I do that. I made a video of how I do that. I've made a video of how I create my thumbnail using Photo Director. All these things I'm saying, I've made videos of many of them, just showing how I do things to make it easier for someone who is interested. So to follow up on my videos, to see my analytics and all those things, I use the YouTube Studio mobile app. So to upload, I upload with YouTube mobile app. Then to do other things, other YouTube things, I use YouTube Studio mobile app. You'll see both of them side by side here if you don't know the difference. To create my channel art, I use PixArt, and I have a video of how I create my channel banner. I have a video of 2 very easy ways to upload your channel banner in seconds. Creating my channel banner with PixArt my way, I don't have to check or worry about the dimensions that are required for YouTube videos. Everything is easier. You can check out that video later. So most of the things you can do, like uploading your YouTube video, uploading your thumbnail, all those other things, you can do almost everything you can do on a laptop, still on your phone if you go through your browser. And the browser I use that work perfectly for me if I want to do every single thing I can do on my laptop. So let's say I want to fill in the description bar and I want it to just show the way it is on my laptop, add end screens and cards, all those things. I use Google Chrome browser and it just shows me exactly what is on a desktop. Especially if you click it to desktop version, you get exactly what you have on your desktop. The only thing you do not get is if you use TubeBuddy, you know those green circles with numbers inside that show you the ranking numbers of keywords. You will never see that on your phone. It is not available. Even if you use TubeBuddy mobile version, it doesn't show up as it is on a desktop, which is easier. So I use TubeBuddy for mobile phone, but that's just when I have no options and no way of getting to a laptop and I really have to upload a video or make a title. Then I just manage it, but it's not efficient. So just check again to be sure. For my camera app, I use Open Camera. For video editing, I use Power Director. To upload my videos, I use YouTube Mobile. To create my thumbnail, I use Photo Director and Snapseed. To remove background, I use removebackground.com. To upload thumbnail, I use YouTube Studio app, or I go through Google Chrome. I can also upload my videos through Google Chrome. So to follow up on my analytics and everything, I use YouTube Studio app again. To optimize my videos, I use TubeBuddy. For my channel ads, my channel banner, one of channel arts is channel banner, I use PixArt. For music, I use the songs that come with the Power Director paid app and also TubeBuddy member perks. Then to monitor my channel, I use Google Chrome and YouTube Studio. I hope this video helps you. If you have all these apps and you have seen my videos, you can create that and more with these apps. I am comfortable with them. I use them. They are efficient, and I am vouching for them. So remember, I have tutorials on how to use some of these applications to do what I do, and they will be listed in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching. All the best with your channel. I hope this video helps you. Bye. Mwah.